Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OnlyFans video upload problems. So just tap on my browser and log into my account, and I will tap on this bottom center plus icon. But right now I unavailable to post any video. So why do OnlyFans video not work? Some OnlyFans videos may not play properly on laptop due to different browser or issues. However, they play fine on iPhones, which could be due to optimize mobile browsing. So that's the issue. Sometimes if video not play properly. And why do OnlyFans video take so long to load? OnlyFans can experience slow performance for a variety of reasons, including a server load, high traffic, especially during peak time or when popular creators. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.